Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If today is your first time visiting with us, we want to extend you a very warm welcome and invite you to look around as we have 326 videos that we feel will be useful to you and confident you will find something you will like and enjoy. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If today is your birthday, happy birthday. So today we're going to show you how you take care of projects you have done. About almost 2 years ago, we built this animal feeder, and I'm going to put a link up here if you want to see how we build it. And it has been, of course, in constant use ever since we built it, right? In essence, from the same day. But as you can see now, it is in need of some loving care. It is very, very steady. There is nothing structural wrong with it, but it's no longer looking as good as the day we built it. So today we're going to show you how we're going to condition it, and that is a primer for how to condition things that you make and use daily in your house. Depending on your finish, sometimes you need once or twice a year, once a year or every 2 years to do something to maintain the integrity of this. And of course this is even more sensitive because the animals slobber water on it. What's the right term?
Well, yeah, water splashes on it and then they drip water on it.
So for a 2-year use, I think this is looking still very good.
I've cleaned it once or twice.
But it has not been redone, that's what I mean.
Oh no, it hasn't been redone, but I have cleaned it up a couple times.
Okay, so let us show you how we're going to do that.
Just taking a wet washcloth, gonna clean it up. This is just some hard water staining here. And some dust, dog fur, as you might imagine. Just going to give it a good clean up, and then we'll give it a few minutes to dry any residual dampness. This is not a wet cloth, just enough to get all the junk off of it. And then we'll move to the next step of what we're doing.
And really the top is in worse shape. The other is just, has a little dog here, but it's not really damaged.
No, it's not damaged in the same way. It doesn't get dripped on, it's just, you know, doggy fur from being on the floor.
And by building that, again, I've put already the link upstairs, and I'm going to probably put it in the comments. You can save a lot of money because I'm sure if you have pets, you know how much they want to charge for even plastic and ugly looking dog and cat feeders, right?
Oh yeah.
So this is a neat project you can build very easily, and we use very simple techniques. This is a beginner project. So that can easily be your first project. And right on cue, Max is working.
That was Sierra.
Well, that was Sierra. We are the proud owners of 2 creatures.
Okay, so this is pretty good. We're just going to let it dry a little bit to get that little bit of dampness cleared up, and then we'll move on.
So our surface now, our wood surface is totally dry. Again, we didn't use a wet cloth, but a damp cloth just to be able to lift the dirt. And we decided to use boiled linseed oil. Linseed oil is very good because it provides a hydrophobic surface, which means that it likes to repel water, and in the same time protects the wood. And also it does a good job of bringing the wood grain out. And stop for a moment to show the difference. And as you can see, even a single application makes a big difference, right? Now in our case, we probably waited longer than we should. I think that should be done once a year, if I'm correct, right?
Yeah, and as I recall, I don't think we put an oil finish on it to begin with. We just did the
Right, and we meant to do it, but we just...
Time got away from us.
Yeah. But you can see the difference immediately. This brings it up to life. And at the same time, we protect it. Now that we started with the oil, though, we have to do it once a year.
Yeah.
This is one of the, I don't want to call it a negative, it's just the maintenance, right?
And the rings around here are something that you might be concerned with. I'm not concerned with knowing that that's where the rim of the bowl is going to go. Nobody's going to see it, and it's going to happen again. So it might have been something I was more concerned about as we first did the project, but since this is more of a reconditioning, I'm not concerned with it.
Hopefully it won't happen again because we've put a whole water conditioner in the house and that's probably stains
yeah.
from the water, right?
Yeah.
But, and it actually smells pretty decent, right? I wouldn't say it smells great, but it doesn't smell bad.
The linseed oil?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells alright.
Now we'll see if our crazy dogs refuse to drink because it smells.
That's possible.
But, and now we decided to do the whole thing. It's not necessary, but definitely will make it look better.
Yeah.
I mean, there is no water usually that goes in the areas that she's doing now.
Well, no, but it's just a protective finish for the whole thing.
So, today's episode brought to you by cleaning.
Yeah.
No, it is important when you make wood projects, especially if they are to be exposed to water. If you have a kitchen, which I assume all of you have, you will know that the areas around your kitchen, that there is water around your sink, and etc. The wood is in very sad shape after a few years. And the reason is that water splashes no matter how careful you are. And animals, of course, are not careful, so it splashes even more.
Mm-hmm. I will say the finish on the stool that we did, and we finished with the linseed oil, it's holding up very well. And it's repelling water as it gets dripped on it.
Well, yeah, that's the advantage of the oil. Now you can also put a poly finish on it, but the thing with poly is that it does scratch, and then you have to take the scratches out, especially not on a project like this, but if it is like a table or something like that. Poly repels water, of course, but it is more prone to scratches, where this is not. I mean, this protects the wood and at the same time is very durable. It doesn't, and this being an animal furniture, I don't know what to call it.
Pet furniture.
It creates more of an issue. I mean, the animals don't tend to, believe it or not, be very careful when they drink water.
No, they're not. That's why it's dripping all over. So the paper towel's leaving a little bit of residue, but I think that's all right. So if it's me, I'll probably come back and do another coat on the top just to, once this sinks in a little bit.
Okay, and we won't necessarily show you that, but we'll show you the thing back in place, and you will see how nice it looks and how well it matches our decor. Alright friends, and we reached the end of our episode today. As you can see, the water feeder, the water, what do you call it, water feeder?
Raised water feeder.
Is in place and it matches our decor. You can finish it to match your decor and it looks pretty good. And actually, I don't know if you can come, the grain has pulled out very nicely. And now with the oil, it has become waterproof. We appreciate you watching this episode today. And if you did like what you see, please smash that like button. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like and subscribe. And let us know what you want to see. The dogs apparently want to be part of this episode, right?
Yeah.
This is the perils of shooting inside. In any case, share, like, subscribe, and comment below. From the Garage Wizard, Elpida, and the Urban Homesteading channel, we bid you a fair week.